Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp status search not working on iPhone and iPad after the updating of iOS. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. The first thing that we have to do, tap and hold App Store and tap on Updates. Now we have to check the list if there is any update available for WhatsApp. If there is, then we have to tap on Update. Solution number 2. Go to Settings. Under Settings, enable Airplane Mode. Now lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then unlock your iPhone and disable Airplane Mode. Solution number 3. Turn off and turn on your iPhone. For that, first launch Settings and tap General. Under General page, scroll down and tap Shutdown. Now drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on your iPhone. Solution number 4. Update your iPhone to latest version of iOS. For that, go to Settings and connect to Wi-Fi, then tap General. Now tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 5. Reset network settings. For that, go to Settings and tap General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Put your iPhone passcode and tap again Reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution number 6. Tap and hold WhatsApp and tap Remove app. After that, follow the instruction. Now go back to App Store and re-download WhatsApp. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.